Okay, class 12's board appearing students, I am going to give you some important topic that may come on your coming 19 February board examinations. So you have to see. Our most important topic is on conductor and insulator. So they will talk about, so I have given you the conductor and insulator definition. Next our topic is quantization. So I have given you some definitions of here, underline quantization. It's the most important topic on. Next is Coulomb's law. I have underlined here Coulomb's law. So this is also very important. And next I will show you formula. This formula is very important. So along with definitions, you have to write also formula. Next is electric field. Electric field here, point charge P is given, SI unit is given, and this lower one having some. Next it is about electric field. So 4 properties of electric field are there. So this 4 properties is very important. You can also draw the diagram that are given on the side. You have to also draw it. And here electric flux definition is given here. So an upper one, that's one diagram, you can draw it. So electric flux and whatever you can write. Here one of the most important topic is electric dipole. That's I have underlined in yellow that you have to also see like along the axis. So this is given here, a half portion and half portion. This is a little bit ground portion is given, and the more is yellow portion is another. If side of the diagram the side of this side diagram draw, and along with this you have to write. Next here dipole in a uniform external field. Here some here definitions are given here, and this diagram you should also write it. And Gauss law, most important topic is Gauss law. Along with the diagram you have to write up to where I have underlined it. Along with the Gauss law, another topic they will ask, what is the total flux through the sphere that is obtained by adding up through a different surface area. They will talk about. So total flux through any closed surface, whatever its shape may be, total flux through the surface is always Q by epsilon naught. Among the most important topic is total flux through any closed surface is Q by epsilon naught. That you have to mind it. Our next important topic is field due to infinite long straight uniform charged wire. So you have to draw this diagram, and whatever I have drawn in yellow you have to write. And after writing that's yellow part, you have to also write that. That's a part of the long infinite straight conductor formula. That's different. That's some statements. And now our next part is field due to uniform charge thin spherical cell. There's a hollow cell. Field outside the cells you have to find out, and field inside the cell, that's important. Total flux inside the cell is 0. That you have to take in mind. That's a 0 total flux inside the sphere is 0. Now some important question that has repeated earlier examinations. Question number 1 and question number 1.9, and here also 14, 16, 16, 17. This question has been repeated many more times. Now we have come to second chapter. Second chapter, our important topic is equipotential surface. That's a yellow part. It underline important. Now main important topic is this 3 charge Q1, Q2, Q3. So what will the total potential of this or 3 charges? So Jiman underline what. Now our next topic is potentials of a system of 2 charges in external electric field. So it was a belek topic, so you have to also see it. Very important topic. Every year they will ask what is the shielding effect. Shielding effect definition to diya ase, underline kora ase. You have to see that underlined diagram, and also that diagram upper one or whatever the diagram you can draw, but upper one is very important that you have to draw. Portu banai diba it bahut important ase. Next sound. Next ase definition of polarization. So here polar and non-polar. So enike diya ase, and they will ask you susceptibility, meaning they will ask you. Our next important topic is capacitor and capacitance. So the diagram banai diba, and you have to draw the diagram, and here definitions are given, and C equal to Q by V and whatever you have to. Next diya ase. Next our topic is effect of dielectric on capacitance. So most important topic it is. So underline kora ase sailaba. Or next or Jiman line crosses. So that's all you have to write. That's a very important. You have to write all these things. important আছে কিটা সব next আছে capacitor in combinations then series আছে and that's a series and in parallel you have to see both and they will ask you proof of both series and parallel in second year they will always ask about proof of this series and parallel the series or parallel or proof to syllabus obey. Next our topic is energy stored in the capacitor. Last year 2023 this question has came, so you have to take care because questions are repeating, question kita besibhag repeat kori ase, so alaman milai pele likhibo lagibo but last statement is this one, so you have to see how you can write alaman. Next important ketaman proshno ase, some important question are there, question 2.1 2.4 2.7 next 2.7 next 2.10 and 2.11. A 2.11 bahut badhaise board exam. This question has came many more times in the board exam, so all of you have to take care and best of luck.